Hello viewers, welcome to the calls. Today my topic is using pick tool. In this video we will learn that how we can use pick tool in CorelDraw. So pick tool is used for select, size, position and transform objects. For example, I draw a rectangular here. You can see these black knots around the rectangular. From here we can make it smaller or larger like that. And if you want to make it bigger, then both sides. So for that, hold down shift key from the keyboard and you can see this black mark, and now drag it. If we click in the center of it like that, you can see that its knots have changed. So from here we can rotate this like that and skew this. We can do it vertically just like that. So in that way we can use pick tool in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.